Welcome to the Stylark Studio. Today we'll be sewing the Hamilton swim set, and this tutorial will be focusing on the square neck one piece unlined with a front shelf and gusset. So let's get all of your pattern pieces cut out and your elastic pieces too, and your instructions ready, and we'll get started sewing. Before we begin, it's a great idea to have a read through of the helpful hints section in the Hamilton swim set construction notes. If you prefer, we also have a step-by-step photo tutorial available via the Stylark website. Let's start sewing. Mark the centre front point of the underbust seam on the crop lining using a pin, chalk or an erasable pen. Mark the centre front on the pre-cut underbust elastic in the same way. Sew a gathering stitch to the underbust seam between the notches. Draw up so the distance between the notches equals 5 centimetres or 2 inches, as shown on the pattern. With right sides together, align the marks, then sew the elastic to the underbust seam using a zigzag stitch, stretching the elastic as you sew. Make sure to sew with the elastic on top. Turn the seam to the inside 6 mm or 1/4 inch and top stitch using a zigzag stitch or twin needle. You will have 2 centimetres 3/4 inch of exposed elastic. You may choose to turn the whole width of the elastic to the inside and top stitch into place using a zigzag stitch or twin needle, but I'll be leaving it exposed. Place the wrong side of the back to the right side of the crop lining at the shoulders. Then place the right side of the front to the right side of the back with the back sandwiched in between. Pin and then sew using a zigzag stitch or an overlocker or serger. With right sides together, align the back to the front at the crotch with the back on top. Place the gusset on top with the right side facing down and pin the 3 layers together, sandwiching the back crotch in between. Sew using a zigzag stitch or an overlocker or serger. Turn the gusset towards the front so the right side is facing out and baste the outer edges to the leg openings of the main body using a zigzag stitch or stretch stitch. The front of the gusset can be left raw. Turn the crop lining towards the front with wrong sides together, aligning the neckline. Baste the crop lining to the front at the neckline using a zigzag or stretch stitch. Fold the crop lining over to the back so that the right side is to the wrong side of the back, and pin the side seams of the crop lining, back and front together, sandwiching the back. Sew using an overlocker or serger. Turn the crop lining to the inside. The front and crop lining will now be wrong sides together. Baste the crop lining to the front at the arm openings using a zigzag or stretch stitch. Overlap the cut ends of the neck, armhole and leg elastic by 2 centimeters, 3/4 of an inch, and securely stitch together, creating a loop. Using pins, erasable pen or chalk, mark the quarter points on each piece of elastic. Mark the quarter marks on the neck, armhole and leg openings on the main body. This is to ensure the elastic is sewn evenly to the openings. Aligning the marks, pin the neck, armhole and leg elastic to the wrong or lining side of the openings and sew into place using a zigzag stitch, stretching the elastic as you sew. Note, if you're making the V-neck option, you may choose to clip into the elastic at the centre front and back to achieve a nice V shape. Alternatively, you can make a small dart. Lightly press the elastic using steam, as this will help to shrink the elastic back into place. Turn the seams to the inside, pin into place and top stitch using a zigzag stitch or a twin needle. If your seams are still a bit wiggly after sewing the elastic like mine are, a good steam will help to smooth them and shrink the elastic to size. Trim any loose threads and carefully press your new swimsuit. Congratulations! You've just completed your Hamilton swim set. We'd love to hear how your Hamilton set came together, so don't forget to tag us and include the hashtag #SAHamiltonSwimSet. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy sewing!